Hazrat Ibrahim Taimi has reported from his father that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, "We have no book to read other than the Quran," and says this scripture. The transmitter says, "He then took it out and it contained the dictates about the wounds and the edges of the camels." The transmitter says it contained Medina Munawwara is a sanctuary from heir to Thor. So whosoever introduces any innovation in it or gives a refuge to any invader, there should be the curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being upon him. And on the resurrection day, his no obligatory or optional worship will be accepted. The curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being be upon the slave who makes an alliance with anyone without his master's permission. On the resurrection day, neither his obligatory nor will the optional worship be accepted, and guarantee of protection given by any Muslim is alike, and even a man of lowly birth can do so, and the curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being be upon him who infringes the guarantee of protection given by any Muslim. On the resurrection day, neither his obligatory nor will optional worship be accepted. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6755.